हरिः कर्ता।
So we have seen data imputation techniques and we got to know how to leverage data imputation techniques to handle missing data. So now we will be looking into the deletion techniques. So how can we use deletion techniques to handle the missing data? That's what we are going to see now. Into the few more methods of handling missing data. We have seen a data imputation. Similarly, will these are the main data imputation techniques that we have seen so far, but we have few more methods which we can uh, use to handle missing data. Okay, these are very simple methods to handle missing data. The first one out of which is listwise deletion or complete case analysis. So listwise deletion or complete case analysis is a method of handling missing data by simply dropping the rows that contain any missing values from the dataset. In other words, any row that contains at least one nan or not a number or missing value is removed from the dataset. The complete row itself is removed from the dataset. So this is how it looks. This is our dataset, and this consists of fourth row an NA not available value in fourth row, seventh row, and ninth row. And then after the applying method, after applying this method, you will have a data set with with those respective rows removed, and fourth row has been removed, seventh row has been removed, and ninth row has been removed. Okay, so that's how it works, and you can clearly see the fourth row has been removed, nothing else, and then seventh row also not there, ninth row is also not there. This is what we call as listwise deletion or complete case analysis method to handle the missing values. Now let's take a simple example here. So this one we will call it as listwise deletion. Listwise deletion method to handle missing values. So let's take a quick data set, which is, let me scroll up and let me find out. Yeah, this data set. Now I'll take another one that we have used before. Any data set that works, but still I just want to have a specific one. Okay, we'll just directly do with the real world data set. Okay, so let me take I do not have this one, is equal to, let me go for the units data. Units, yep, this is what the units data, and here you have this nan here, you see that this nan and this nan. I want to remove this. Let's see, let's apply this listwise deletion method to this, and let's see what's going to happen. So display the original data set. Let me write down that display the original data set. So print original data set. So print its units. Yep, this is what is our original data set. Now let's drop rows with missing values using listwise deletion. So df, so units underscore drop NA is equal to units dot drop NA and execute it. And now it's time to display the data set after listwise deletion. Display the data set after listwise deletion. So print data set after listwise deletion. Let me put it in. And print units drop NA, and here is your result. And this is the original data set 24, 25, 26, 7, and this is the data set after the listwise deletion 24, 25, 26, 27 gone completely. And this method is known as a listwise deletion method. So in this example, so we have used drop NA function from pandas to drop the rows with missing values, resulting in new data set that is units underscore drop NA without any rows containing missing values. So it's important to note that listwise deletion can result in loss of data, and entire rows with any missing values are removed from the data set. So this method may not always be suitable, especially if the data set has a large number of missing values, or if the missing values are not randomly distributed. So it's important to carefully consider the implications of listwise deletion before using it as a data imputation method.